I chose this Cuisinart compact air fryer toaster oven because of its small size, and I am now impressed with the following features. Not only does it fit perfectly on my counter without taking up tons of space, but it also provides me with great results and does the work of several appliances. I love that it's more than just an air fryer. It's also a warmer, an oven, a broiler, and a toaster. You can adjust any of the dials depending on what you want to do. You can use it to toast bread, air fry nuggets, wings, or more, heat up pizza, bake bread, choosing your own temperature, broil something, or just keep food warm. The trays are removable and easy to clean, and the food comes out without any strange flavors that other air fryers give. And it heats up fast, so I haven't had to preheat it at all. I am very happy with my purchase. My name is Gabby. Thanks for watching my review.